Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of electricity theory and applications. Before we begin our presentation today, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support. From our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. Online instructor resources, specially created by teachers for teachers, are packages of instruction that save you time and make it easier to prepare for class, reinforce new concepts, and assess learning. These complete teaching packages are ready to go and will instantly make a difference in your class. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as answer keys, editable lesson plans, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. GW assessments are cloud-based, up-to-date, and easy to use. Instructors can customize assessments and print them for students to complete in person or choose to integrate GW products into your preferred platform for online delivery, auto-grading, and advanced reporting. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with electricity, theory and application includes the lab workbook, digital textbook, and the digital companion. The digital companion is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Electricity, Theory and Applications provides valuable insight into the electrical theories and concepts that form a solid foundation of knowledge, onto which more advanced learning and understanding can be structured. The vision for Electricity, Theory and Applications is to create a valuable educational resource for those who aspire to become an electrical industry professional, those who are currently employed in the industry, or those who want to learn about the exciting world of electricity. Regardless of the role you play in the electrical industry, this textbook provides valuable insight into the electrical theories and concepts that form a solid foundation onto which more advanced learning and understanding can be structured. Designed for foundational electrical theory courses in electrical technology, construction, and industrial maintenance programs, the textbook features a clear and simple presentation of concepts and many illustrations. Each chapter begins with a sparking discussion question designed to stimulate classroom discussion and help students begin to understand the larger context of the chapter topics. Learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be gained when the chapter is completed. These outcomes are numbered and correlated to related assessment questions to facilitate reporting and remediation. Technical terms list the key words to be learned in the chapter. An introduction provides an overview and preview of the chapter content. Additional features are used throughout the body of each chapter to further learning and knowledge. Safety alerts warn students of potentially dangerous materials and practices. Shedding light provides advice and guidance that is especially applicable for on-the-job situations. Know the Code points out specific items from typical building codes. Examples walk students step by step through math calculations. Students can then practice and apply the concepts in the Now It's Your Turn feature. Math sidebars reinforce and remind students of foundational math concepts at the point of application. Procedures provide clear instructions for hands-on troubleshooting and service tasks. Clear and simple presentation of concepts heavily supported by illustrations prevents students from becoming lost in overly complicated, overly detailed explanations of advanced topics beyond what is required in an introductory electrical theory course. End-of-chapter material provides an opportunity for review and application of concepts. A concise summary provides an additional review tool and reinforces key learning outcomes. This helps students focus on important concepts presented in the text. Measuring your potential questions enable learners to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of chapter material. Plug-in questions extend learning and develop abilities to use learned material in new situations and to break down material into its component parts. Making the connection questions develop higher-order thinking and problem-solving abilities. Accompany electricity, theory and applications with a lab workbook. These activities provide students with an opportunity for self-assessment as content is presented or assigned. Files can be provided in docx format or print. The Electricity, Theory and Applications Animation Library includes animations to supplement and reinforce classroom instruction. Clear visuals and crisp narrations enable visual learners and struggling readers to clearly understand the content. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators.